Oh, hi, I see that. Today we're gonna show you how to make slime. But anyways, you will need these things: shampoo, conditioner, cornstarch,
And corn. Saeed.
and cornstarch, conditioner, shampoo, and lotion. And then you mix all it together. It's gonna get slimy.
And once when you play with it, it's gonna turn it like to.
We did have some slime to show you guys, but yeah,
But our slime, but the slime we had. Look, listen. Let's tell them how we made the slime. We made the slime by once when you play with it, it turns to what you call it? Solid. Yeah, solid, and then a solid, and then when you let it go, leave it alone, it just turned into it quickly turned into liquid.
But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. DIY.